There we go. All right. Today's date is January 13th, 2022. In Wilbarger County, Texas, I call cause number 23949 in the interest of the Talbot children. What says the state?
The state is ready.
Also present by telephone is Carolyn Talbot. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Talbot?
Yes, ma'am.
The court's file reflects that Amber Nicole Talbot was served with notice of these proceedings back on October 26th of 2021. She's not filed an answer in this matter, nor has she made an appearance. She's not there with you, is she, Ms. Talbot?
No, she's not.
All right. So we're proceeding to a default hearing. Ms. Ware, you call your first witness.
State calls Carolyn Talbot.
All right. Ms. Talbot, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead, Ms. Ware.
All right, ma'am, would you please state your name for the record?
Carolyn Talbot.
And you are the grandmother of the children in this case, is that correct?
Yes.
And in 2009, in a court order, you were ordered to provide health insurance for the children through another source. You remember that?
That's been a while, but yeah,
Right.
yeah, I think so. Yes.
Okay. And how are they currently insured for medical insurance?
Medicaid.
Okay. And so you no longer have any other health insurance available privately. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And in a 2017 order, you requested that child support be modified to 0 as to not place a hardship on the mother. Do you remember that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Are you requesting that the court keep the current child support at 0?
Yes,
And why are you requesting that?
because she's not able to work. She's mentally and physically incapable. She doesn't have a vehicle. She doesn't even have a telephone.
Okay. But she's not collecting Social Security disability and has not been found to be disabled by the federal government, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Do you have
Has
anything
she
from
applied, Ms. Talbot?
I'm sorry?
Has Amber ever applied for Social Security?
We've begged her to, and I don't know why she won't.
There's a program called SSI that would pay about $600 a month to help her if she would only apply for it. Okay. Thank you, friend.
That's part of her mental thing. She's afraid that we're trying to get her committed or something if she signs any kind of a paper.
Okay.
To your knowledge, is she under any kind of doctor's care right now?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
To your knowledge, is she under any kind of care for a physician for these issues right now?
No,
Do you have anything with you from a doctor that indicates she cannot do any type of work whatsoever?
no,
Do you have anything with you from a doctor that shows what her medical diagnoses are?
I did have papers where we had taken her to a psychiatrist, and he listed numerous things wrong with her.
Okay.
And when was that psychiatrist visited?
It's been several years ago.
Okay.
I don't remember when, but it's been several years ago.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, Ms. Go ahead, Ms. Ware.
When's the last time Ms. Talbot has worked?
She worked at Subway. When it's been probably 6 or 7 years ago.
Okay. And when's the last time you've seen her?
It's been over a year.
Okay. So you've had no contact with her for over a year. Do you know where she lives?
I know where she is, yes, but I haven't contacted her, and she hasn't come over here.
Okay, so you don't know personally what her current situation is for the last year, correct?
I don't for myself.
Okay,
I have been told.
okay.
Ms. Talbot, is she at a private home or at a center of some kind? Where?
She's at a private home.
Okay.
Does she live with somebody?
Yes. She's living with the other child that we have, Chevy Talbot. She's living with his dad.
Okay. The state has no further questions, Your Honor.
Anything else you want me to know, Ms. Talbot, that hasn't come up through the question and answer?
Okay, well, I haven't seen her, and the kids hadn't seen her in over a year. So,
Hearsay testimony, Your Honor.
Pardon?
I object to any hearsay testimony. She says,
Rolled. Go ahead, Ms. Talbot.
so on her birthday, which was November the 9th, the kids decided it had been so long since they seen their mother, they wanted to go see her. And all three of them came back just terrified, crying, very, very upset because of the condition she was in and the state of mind she was in.
Do you know if she's had any difficulty with the law?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of charges has she had?
Trespassing.
Okay. Anything else you want me to know, ma'am?
Well, I do know that she was tased several times when she was arrested, and it didn't even faze her.
Okay, that can be typical of several types of mental illness.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else, Ms. Talbot?
That's all right now.
Okay. What are you requesting, Ms. Ware?
Your Honor, the state requests that the court keep the current child support at 0 because of the current situation, that the court order Carolyn Talbot to keep the children on a government health plan, and that the court order Amber Talbot to pay $10 a month medical support. There's no evidence that she can't work. That has been brought to the court. It's just a personal opinion and personal observations from more than a year ago. Ms. Talbot has not been determined to be disabled. There's no information from a doctor that she cannot do any sort of work. The state is not requesting any court costs or attorney's fees.
All right, Ms. Talbot, what do you think I should do?
Well, the $10, I think maybe her, the person that she's living with would pay for it.
Do you know of any sort of money that Amber has?
She doesn't have any.
All right, based on the evidence and the testimony, then I find that Amber Nicole Talbot is in fact indigent, and I'm not ordering any child support, I'm continuing the child support at zero, and I'm ordering the medical support at zero as well. I'm waiving court costs. Any other relief I need to address, Ms. Ware?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
All right. Well, thank you, Ms. Talbot. Ms. Ware's going to prepare an order for my signature, and I'm going to sign off on it. I'm denying all relief sought by the Attorney General's office. And
well, Your Honor, can you at least let me do an order that says child support zero, government health plan, medical support zero, because we don't want Ms. Talbot to still be ordered to provide health insurance through another source.
all right. Yes, I'm ordering the child support at zero.
Okay.
And the medical support at zero. And Ms. Talbot is ordered to keep the children on Medicaid as long as they're eligible. Okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Well, good luck to you and your family, Ms. Talbot. I appreciate you appearing today. Ms. Ware's going to
Thank you.
that order for my signature, and I'm going to sign off on it. There is a 3-day time period during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Byrd, and you'll start over. He'll start over as well. But you should get a copy of the order within a week or two. If you don't get one after 2 weeks, call the Wichita Falls AG's office and remind them to send one to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Talbot. Good luck. You've got a difficult situation. I understand, and I appreciate you stepping up to raise the kids.
Well, we're trying the best we can.
All right. Excellent. Thank you, Ms. Talbot. You can hang up now. Bye-bye.